The first cleanse is used to remove makeup, dirt, debris, and oils. First, start with a creamy cleanser such as the Mega Purifying Cleanser. Apply on dry skin with clean, dry hands. Work in small circular motions, starting on your jawline, moving up to your cheeks, onto your forehead, finishing by gently cleansing your eye area. To remove, use either a warm, damp towel or water. For your second cleanse, use your foaming cleanser with active ingredients. This cleanser will be used with the same motions, but avoid the eye area to prevent overdrying and irritation on and around the eyes. Apply to dampen skin and repeat the same cleansing process that was followed with the first cleanse. To remove, use either a warm damp towel or water. Make sure this cleanser is fully removed. Follow with your Step 2 serum and then your Step 3 moisturize.